Hi, I'm Ash and this is Lockie. For the past 3.5 years, we've lived out of our tiny home to explore Europe. We packed up our lives in Australia to experience new places and do new things. After 3 years, one pandemic and thousands of kilometres later, we cross into Croatia. Join us and subscribe to our channel as we explore Croatia together. We're not sure if we've just hit traffic or whether there's like a border check, because when you drive up the coast of Croatia, there's actually a small section where you cross into, like it goes through Bosnia and then you come back out into Croatia. So we're not sure if they check everything at the border again and then you re-enter Croatia or what's happening, but there is traffic, so we assume that they're checking passports and things. So very strange.
So today we have arrived at a campsite in Orebić, or just outside, and it's really nice here. We're about to go for a ride into town and check out the little city and see what it's like.
Across from Korčula?
Yeah, so Korcula Island is just over there where we're going to visit tomorrow. But the view from our little pitch here is really nice. So Korcula is over there. And just there is a little lighthouse, I think, on an island. It's very beautiful. And this is Jimbo, our new cat. Hey Jimbo. Anything to say, Jim? Jimbo? Yeah. Like a little back scratch, eh? Yes. Oh. Hey. Enjoyed some nice coffee, now just relaxing on the beach. Pretty nice. What's wrong?
Nothing. You smell. Lachlan won't stop farting for the last week and they really stink.
That is not very nice.
It's true.
Yes, my farts do smell. I'm not sure what the reason is. I know it's getting worse. We're about to swing off the swing into the ocean.
Where are we off to today?
We are going to Korčula. Korčula.
So we have just arrived on Korčula.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Another nice day in paradise. So it's really cheap to come over here for the day. It's 16 kunas each one way, so it'll cost us 64 kunas return. So it's probably like €8, €9 for the whole day for both of us. to get scooter rental, but a lot of places are closed or have like a number on the door and say call. And so far everyone has said no, sorry, we're not open. We're waiting on a call back. He said he'll see what he can do. Otherwise, we will be getting the bus to one of the towns called Lombarda, which has a really nice beach. So yeah, we are very far into the off season now, I guess, in touristy place, but it is weird because there is still like a few people around, and you think that if someone called they would just come and let you rent the scooter to make a bit of money, but because they're just sitting out the front of their shops. But anyway, we will see. No scooter today.
No scooters. Bloody kids. So we just got off the bus in Lombarda. Not in the centre though, the next stop at the beach, and it's about a 3-minute walk to the beach. The bus driver told us.
We're just walking through some vineyards on the way.
Yeah, it's very nice.
How's the water temp?
Pretty cold. Very cold. I need a diving board.
Go jump off there. Jetty. Not coming in. Sook. Not too bad. Another picnic.
Another picnic. So we're on the way home now on the bikes, and while we're over there, Ashley promised me gelato, and I'm pretty sure it's closed, and I'm pretty sure she knew. It's horseshit, Ash. You're editing this. You're not a good person. I should have got that baked good, but you said no. I hope you're happy.
Hard life.
I'm sick of it.
Breakfast at the beach.
Breakfast at the beach.
Fancy.
Fancy.